Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster 1000, $6,675, Centerville, California. The 1981 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster 1000 is one of the most historically significant Sportsters ever produced, commemorating Harley-Davidson's return to private ownership after the company was purchased back from AMF. Known as the buyback bike or Milwaukee Special, this limited edition model remains highly sought after by collectors because of its rarity and unique place in Harley-Davidson history. Only 804 examples were produced, making this one of the rarest factory Sportsters of its era. This motorcycle comes with a clean title and represents a genuine piece of Harley-Davidson heritage. For collectors looking to own a limited production American classic with exceptional historical significance, this XLH Sportster is a remarkable opportunity. Number 2. 1966 BSA A65 Thunderbolt, $5,000, Napa, California. The 1966 BSA A65 Thunderbolt captures the spirit of Britain's golden age of motorcycling, combining a responsive parallel twin engine with timeless styling and straightforward mechanical design. These classic BSAs continue to be appreciated for their enjoyable riding experience and enduring appeal among vintage British motorcycle enthusiasts. This example shows just 13,852 original miles and has been transformed from a rolling project into a great-running motorcycle. The seller states that it starts easily, everything works properly, and it comes with a clear California title and registration. For buyers seeking a well-sorted British classic, this Thunderbolt offers an excellent combination of originality and reliability. Number 3. 1963 Honda Dream Touring, $3,600, Healdsburg, California. The 1963 Honda Dream Touring helped introduce a new generation of riders to Honda's innovative engineering and dependable performance. With its distinctive pressed steel frame, enclosed chain, chrome-accented fuel tank, and unmistakable styling, the Dream became one of the motorcycles that helped establish Honda's reputation in the American market. This 150cc Bentley Touring model retains the elegant design that made these early Hondas so memorable, from its integrated headlight and speedometer to its classic chrome details. It comes with a clean title and offers a wonderful opportunity to own an iconic piece of Honda history. For collectors seeking a charming early Japanese classic, this Dream remains an excellent choice. Number 4. 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120V, $5,000, Emeryville, California. The 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120V is one of Britain's most celebrated motorcycles, admired for its legendary 650cc parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and lasting influence on classic motorcycling. Well-maintained Bonnevilles continue to be highly desirable among riders and collectors who appreciate authentic British performance and craftsmanship. This example has been extensively rebuilt with approximately 5,000 miles accumulated since the restoration. The seller states that it starts easily, runs great, and has served as a reliable daily rider for years. It also includes the original fenders, spare parts, accessories, and a clean California title, making it an attractive package for any Triumph enthusiast. Number 5. 1978 Kawasaki KZ200, $2,800, Palo Alto, California. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ200 is a lightweight classic that reflects Kawasaki's reputation for producing dependable and easy-to-ride motorcycles during the late 1970s. Its simple design, excellent fuel efficiency, and approachable performance continue to make the KZ200 an appealing choice for enthusiasts of vintage Japanese motorcycles. Showing only 2,321 miles, this exceptionally low mileage example is described as very clean and ready to ride. The seller notes that it runs and rides great while retaining a clean title. For buyers searching for an affordable and well-preserved vintage Kawasaki, this KZ200 offers excellent originality and everyday enjoyment. Number 6. 1974 BMW R90/6, $5,500, San Rafael, California. The 1974 BMW R90/6 is one of the most respected airhead motorcycles ever produced, admired for its smooth boxer twin engine, exceptional touring capability, and timeless German engineering. Original, matching numbers examples have become increasingly desirable among collectors who appreciate authenticity and long-term reliability. This California motorcycle shows just 17,500 original miles and retains matching VIN and engine numbers. The seller states that it has been fully serviced, fitted with braided stainless brake lines, a new battery, and is ready to ride with a fresh California title. For enthusiasts seeking a well-preserved BMW classic, this R90/6 offers outstanding originality and collector appeal. Number 7. 1971 Husqvarna Sportsman 360C Enduro, $5,500, San Leandro, California. The 1971 Husqvarna Sportsman 360C Enduro represents the golden era of off-road competition, showcasing the lightweight performance and rugged engineering that helped establish Husqvarna's legendary reputation. Rare survivor examples remain highly sought after by collectors of vintage enduro and motocross motorcycles. This unrestored example is described as a strong runner with excellent compression and the rare 8-speed transmission. While it is being sold with a bill of sale and would require inspection and lighting updates for California registration, the seller notes that it is mechanically solid. For enthusiasts seeking an uncommon vintage enduro, this Husqvarna offers exceptional historical appeal. Number 8. 1975 Yamaha RD125 two-stroke, $2,300, San Rafael, California. The 1975 Yamaha RD125 is a lightweight two-stroke classic known for its lively performance, nimble handling, and unmistakable character. Once a popular entry-level sport motorcycle, the RD125 has become an increasingly collectible model among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Japanese two-strokes. This example has received a brand new engine with new bearings, seals, and pistons, and the seller states that it starts and runs great. Described as a fun motorcycle for around-town riding, it also comes with a clean title. For buyers looking for an affordable and enjoyable vintage Yamaha, this RD125 is an appealing choice. Number 9. 1989 Harley-Davidson Custom Softail, $4,800, San Bruno, California. The 1989 Harley-Davidson Softail combines classic Harley styling with a dependable Evolution V-twin engine, a power plant widely respected for its improved reliability, smoother operation, and strong performance. Custom Softails from this era continue to attract riders who appreciate traditional American cruiser styling with tasteful performance upgrades. This street-legal custom example is powered by the 80 cubic inch Evolution engine and includes an S&S kit along with a Thunder header exhaust system. The seller notes that it comes with a clean title and remains ready to enjoy. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable custom Harley, this Softail offers classic style and proven performance. Number 10. 1980 Honda CM400T, $1,000, Mesa, Arizona.
The 1980 Honda CM400T is a practical and dependable middleweight twin that reflects Honda's reputation for building easy-to-ride motorcycles with lasting reliability. Its straightforward design and approachable performance continue to make it a popular choice for riders interested in affordable vintage Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides, with the carburetors professionally cleaned and balanced only a few months ago. It will benefit from new tires, fresh brake fluid, and a replacement chain, while a box of spare parts and a factory service manual are included with the sale. For anyone looking for a budget-friendly classic Honda project, this CM400T offers excellent potential.